We want to create a made in Britain product right from conception in March, really, when the shearing of the sheep takes place, and the regenerative farm, and then take the customers, take the community on a journey of how we're going to create that product. So from shearing to spinning to knitting to making, and it's a leap of faith, really, because we want to show that a made in Britain product can be produced at a retail price that is workable, 100% wool, that is attractive, that is modern, that is fully traceable. Fernhill, they've created a flock that is 6 breeds of sheep that over a period of time have sort of blended together through having, children together, a perfect British breed, and that creates a finer yarn, and we're going to create a worsted product that doesn't itch, is gentler on the skin, softer, is odor resisting. And New Foundation Farm and 3LM are adding the science to the project, so making sure that when we claim that this farm is regenerative, we're going to explain to you what that really means, because it's a new word that is a fashionable word at the moment and is often misused, and we're going to take you and educate you on that journey of what it really means, and we're going to learn ourselves as well. It's new for us. I don't really know exactly what it means yet, but we want to show you that this is the future of farming, and this is a potential area to grow within clothing manufacturing in this industry, in this country. So create a product from a farm, traceable to farm, deliver it in October, 7-month journey, and let's see if we can do it.